Welcome to Vietnamese Home Cooking, everyone. In this video, I will be sharing my new dish that I was so excited to try and share it with everyone. It's stewed chicken with taro roots. This stewed chicken is very delicious when served with either bread or rice noodle. So this whole chicken is about 1.5 pounds and I cut into small pieces like this. This is the beef spices that I'm gonna use. I will put in here 2 tablespoons of the beef spices, 1 tablespoon of mushroom seasoning, half tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of black pepper. I also add some chopped dry onion. About 1 tablespoon is good enough. Then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. I also add some chopped shallot as well and give it a good mix together and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Heat up the pot and add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Add in some chopped shallot and stir until fragrant. And then add in the marinated chicken. Stir fry for about 5 minutes and then add in 8 cups of water. Bring to boil, cover with the lid, and then simmer for 30 minutes at medium-low heat. In the meantime, I'm gonna prepare the taro roots. The taro roots I have here is a little more than 1.5 pounds. I peel and cut into 1/2 inch thick slices like this. After 30 minutes of simmering, the chicken is soft enough for the chopstick to pierce through. Add in the taro roots. Put the lid back on and simmer for another 15 minutes or until the taro roots is soft. That's it. Dinner is ready to be served. Thank you very much for watching Vietnamese Home Cooking, everyone. Goodbye.